How to get started in real estate investing for beginners in 2022. Whether you've dreamed about buying your first house or are just looking for a way to invest your money for the future, real estate investing may offer you the perfect opportunity. Whether you're an experienced investor or a complete beginner, there are several steps you'll need to take before you can become a successful investor. In this video, we'll explain the basic concepts of real estate investing and offer some helpful tips on how to get started. What is real estate investing? Real estate investing is the process of purchasing properties with the intent of renting them out. While there are some similarities between investing in stocks and owning real estate, there are also some key differences. For example, you as an investor will likely have more control over the day-to-day operations of rental property than you would over a publicly traded stock. On the other hand, you will likely have to pay higher interest rates on a rental property than you would on investment in stocks. Personal financial goals. The first step in any investment strategy is to sit down and figure out your personal financial goals. What are you hoping to accomplish with your money? Are you saving for retirement? Do you want to create additional income for yourself? Whatever your goals may be, you'll do yourself a big favor by setting them up before you begin any investing strategy. This will help you stay focused and prevent you from making costly mistakes along the way. Setting a real estate investment strategy. The next step in the process of becoming a successful real estate investor is to create a solid investment strategy. This strategy will help you stay focused on the types of properties you want to buy and help you stay away from properties that may not be a good fit for your personal financial goals. As you begin your search for properties, you'll also want to consider areas of the country that may be experiencing rapid growth or areas that you think will see growth in the future. This will help you stay as geographically diverse as possible as you begin your search for properties. The process of finding and buying a property. As you begin your search for properties, you'll want to make sure to keep your personal financial goals in mind. This will help you stay focused on buying properties that will be a good fit for those goals. You'll also want to follow your investment strategy as closely as possible. To find the best properties for your investment strategy, you'll need to follow a process that will help you find a wide variety of properties. The first step in this process is to make use of the internet. Many websites offer property search tools that allow you to search for properties based on specific criteria. Not all sites will have listings in all areas of the country, but they will have geographically diverse listings. Once you've identified a few areas that you'd like to look into, you can begin the process of contacting real estate agents in those areas. This can be done through email or snail mail, or you can even use a local real estate agent who specializes in serving investors. Once you've identified a few real estate agents in your area who may be able to help you find properties for purchase, you can begin your search for properties. The next step is to review available properties. The best way to do this is to visit each property and determine if it meets your investment criteria. If it does, then you may want to make an offer on the property or get further information on the asking price and other details about the property before making an offer. Once you've found a property that meets your investment criteria, you can then make an offer on the property. If the buyer accepts your offer, you will need to complete the purchase transaction. This is done by locating a title company to provide title insurance on the property and a lawyer to handle the closing documents and ensure that all conditions of your contract are met. The next step is to fix up the property and get it ready to rent out. This includes making any repairs that may be necessary, cleaning up the yard, and getting it ready for new tenants. You also need to make sure that there is appropriate insurance in place for your tenants' protection in case anything happens while they are living at your rental property. Once you have completed all of these steps, you can then begin collecting rent from your tenants and start making money off of your rental properties. Tips for beginners in real estate investing. There are many benefits to becoming a successful real estate investor, but one of the most obvious is the potential for long-term financial gains. Of course, this potential comes with the potential for long-term financial losses as well. However, if you're willing to learn the necessary skills and follow a few basic rules of thumb, you can greatly increase your chances of success. Follow these tips to help you get started in real estate investing. Start small. Make sure you're prepared. Find a mentor or coach. Be patient. Never stop learning.